The VN Video Editor app lets you easily add a slow motion effect to your videos with smooth transition. Now follow these steps to create stunning slow-mo edits. First of all, launch the VN app and tap on New Project and select a video. Now, once you select the video, simply tap on the video timeline to select a clip, then tap Speed from the bottom menu. You can see Speed option available there at the bottom. Once you tap on the speed, you will get to see curve or regular option available there. You can also select curve for smooth slow motion, but we are going for the regular because it presents like easy out for natural slow motion. Now all you have to do is adjust the speed points by dragging them down to create a slow-mo effect. Now after you do so, your slow-mo is perfectly made. Now simply tap on the check mark to confirm the changes and watch the video you just made. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.